everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Okay, so you need a present to take to a Christmas or a holiday function. You're on a budget, but you want to give this to somebody that basically loves flowers and stuff. I'm going to show you how to make a great arrangement. Okay, this bucket, Flowers and Garden, came from the dollar store. I buy them in the spring and I save them. And basically, all you do, this one really got dented up, is you're just going to use this. Everything else I picked up. Okay, now, this one is not waterproof and it would rust it anyway. So you take 2 containers, and these are just throwaway from takeout. And one's got holes. This one doesn't have holes, so it's going to hold it. These have the holes in it, and I'm going to put that in there. And you're like, why do you need that? I'll show you. Then you basically take some sand. I collected this on a hike. I don't know if you could do that or not. Okay. We're at $1. Just this container and, well, the takeout. But that's basically kind of what I'm going to eat anyway. So then I foraged and got some of these great evergreens. You can never go wrong with evergreens. You just need to make sure that you make them moist. You know, all the time, spray them. So I take the bigger ones and I put them in the back like this. Some cedar, there's a whole bunch. I get a variety. It really makes it more contrasting. And I love the cedar. The cedar makes it so amazing. And I love the little berries that go with it. And you just basically, I cut these low because I wanted them to overhang kind of. Okay, so now I have some great contrast and texture, color, everything else. Then I went to my boxwoods and all my other stuff outside. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these. Well, there's 2 types here. Let me cut this real quick. Now, some of these are going to somebody that just bought a house, and it's just, and I'm doing one for my grandson and stuff. But okay, this looks great, right? Ordinary. I could put a pine cone, which I have here. That's going to go right here. And this has the white little tips on it. And then I could put a bow on it. But we're not done. What's special about mine is I like to give gifts that they could use later on. So I saved some of my favorite flower seeds. So like this is a yarrow. This container is going to be a gift of seeds. So, you know, I know it's cold right now, but in a couple months it's time to start seeds again. Now they have them. So yarrow is one of my favorite. So the seed pod goes in here. Sweet Annie, oh my gosh, this will make it smell amazing. Those that have watched my videos know that's one of my favorite. So, and Sweet Annie and yarrow just seed so easily. Okay, see? Let me see if I want both in here. Okay. Now, these are my wild garlic, and these also seed well. But these are really beautiful. They add that white Christmas texture, and it looks great in any arrangement, really. Okay, there's that. Okay, here's one of my funky plants, and I forgot the name. but they look like little firecrackers. And basically all you have to do, the seeds kind of pop out of here, but these are great for arrangements, and they really add texture to any arrangement. Whether you use these or not, they really look nice. Okay. Now, I grow a lot of amaranth, and so these you want to start in a couple months as well. So I have the white amaranth. There's also the purple. I didn't want purple for this, so these will make, I don't even know, I did a video once, but you got a good 30 to 100 seeds in these when I put them in. Oop, and I broke it. Make sure you get rid of all the dead leaves. Okay. Some of my Japanese basil. And those that watched my decorating the cakes and stuff, I do a lot of wild flowers. So this is one of them. It's a wild sunflower. And these are great. You don't have to start these until maybe 3 months. And you could sow these outside. Okay, lamb's ears. Lamb's ears is almost invasive. So all you have to do is put these outside or in a container and it really grows. And kind of stick these up so they really stick out. And then I had some basil. Oh, here it is. So these basil seeds are great for seed starting. And you have several on here. Okay. Okay, and some wild, funky stuff. This just adds some texture. And these are a Missouri native that I just put out there. Okay. Now, some funky stuff. I don't know if I'll put these in. This is more another time. Now, some of them I add, dahlias and zinnias. They are great for seed pods. So this is a zinnia. It's a big yellow zinnia. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. Okay, now the twist, besides that, like that's not enough, I'm going to make this a plant giveaway too. So this is one of my favorite bushes outside. It's got the yellow, the color. So what I'm going to do, since I did sand, I'm going to root this. And they could either take it or not, you know, they could throw it away. But this will be living, you know, keep it in the arrangement as you want to get rid of, keep the living stuff. And I dip it in the rooting compound, and it goes, make sure that it gets all the way into the sand. And here's one of my boxwoods outside. And boxwoods really root well from cuttings. So I'm going to put that in. Oh, this is so cute. Some more of these. And make sure when you do root cuttings to scrape, to injure the bottom, because the growth hormone will work better. Okay, put this in. Get some color in there. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay, so now you have an arrangement that's just a beautiful arrangement. My stomach's showing, sorry. But now it has seeds. So whomever you give this to has the beginning of their seeds for the spring. So they don't have to buy them. I have put anything from passion fruit seeds in there. Oh, I was going to show you. One of my favorite ones to put is a vegetable one. And I'm going to do one for my grandson. He was so proud of his green beans and everything that he grew this year. So, okra. Okra is great for decorating. I have done basically pepper arrangements and green beans. This makes a great arrangement for the vegetable grower. So I'm not doing it in this one because I don't think they care about that. Now the next thing are just some berries. And so I'm just putting these in for color. They can plant the berries if they want. It's from basically a bush. They want to grow a bush. Maybe one more. Okay. All right. So this is it. So you have a present that if they keep the plants that you rooted, so they could go to their house and from your house to their house, seeds from your house to their house, and just a beautiful arrangement. And basically for rooting compound, which lasts forever, and $1 bucket, that's your gift. It was the time and the care and passing, you know, plants. So this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and if you do one of these, please send pictures, but have a great holiday. Oh, now it's not going to work.